Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, it's nice to meet you again today. And today I want to talk about present progressive and present simple. We are going to talk about tense today. And the basic tense is present progressive and present simple. Well, let's take a look at the first tense. It is the present progressive. Our present progressive is to express actions in progress. To express actions in progress. You can see here in bahasa Indonesia we say sedang atau lagi dia sedang makan. Mereka sedang makan. In English you can express that sentence like this. He is eating. Okay, let's see. I want to tell you again, present progressive is to show actions in progress. Let's take a look at the examples. Number one is he is eating now. She is eating now. It is eating now. We are eating now. You are eating now. And they are eating now. So how can we form the tense progressive? And you have to know the formula. It is subject, to be, verb plus ing, and then time. He is a subject, is a to be, and the verb is eat and plus ing, and the time now. He is eating now. So when you want to say something like dia sedang membaca, membaca is read. Okay, dia sedang membaca, you can make it like this. He is reading now. He is reading now. Okay, that is the present progressive. Remember, present progressive is to express the actions in progress, and how to form the present progressive is like this. Subject, to be, verb, ing, and time. So it depends on, when the subject is he, so the to be is. She, to be is, it, to be is. And we, to be is are, you are, they are. Okay, so from this form, you will be easy to form or to make a sentence expressing an action that in progress. Okay, now I want to tell you, forget to tell you, this is the positive sentence, okay? All this one is the positive sentence. And what about the negative? It is easy also when you want to say negative. You just put not here. He is not, okay? Not. And then not, he is not, we are not eating, you are not eating, they are not eating. You just add not after to be. He is eating now, this is positive, and for negative, he is not eating now. Okay, clear? So we have two type of sentences. The first is the positive, and negative, we just put not. And another one is interrogative of the question. When you want to make a question with the present progressive, it's also simple. And you put is here to the front. Okay, you move to be, you move the to be is in front. So it will be like this. He is eating now, right? And then for negative, you put not eating now, negative, eating now. And then for interrogative, you put the to be in front of the sentence. Is he eating now? Is he eating now? Okay, so the present progressive is simple. Any question? No question. I am very sure. You just review because you have this before at senior high school. Well, now let's go to the simple tense, present simple.